What's up everybody, my name is Will Auroch, host of We Evolve Dance and Fitness, and today I'm here to teach you my newest tango from the artists of Otro Aires, ESSA. This is such a fun tango. I created it about a few weeks ago and I put it to the test and people are actually loving it. So here it is, I'm gonna leave it with you guys so you can practice it. And if there's any teachers in the audience that wanna use my choreographies, you guys are more than welcome to go ahead and use it. Just leave me a comment below about how much you like it. Of course, hit the like button, and if you could, subscribe and hit that bell button. I'd be so grateful for that. All right, this time I'm gonna show you guys from the opposite view, so you guys, when you look at your cell phones, you can see it just a little bit differently. Today I'm gonna turn around and do it from how I would do it in class. Okay, so what's gonna happen is I'm gonna step with my left leg to my left side, and I go slow, slow, quick, quick, slow. My left hand wraps around, my right hand goes up here, and I go flick, and I come back down, slow, slow, quick, 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 and then I go right leg, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow. Wrap my right hand, left hand on top, and flick, and then back, slow, slow, quick, 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 quick. From here, we go into a box step, and we go left, side to side, right, side to side, left forward, side to side, right back, side to side. Then from here we go into a zigzag with a flick. We go slow, slow, quick, 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 and quick, slow, slow, quick, 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 and slow, slow, quick, 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 and slow, slow, quick, 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 and quick. We did that 4 times. Now we go into the same exact thing, but it's gonna be faster. No slows, only quicks. And 1 and 2 and 3, flick. 1 and 2 and 3, flick. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, and flick. So we go forward, forward, side, back, side, flick. Then here, we do that 4 times. Now we go back into the slow, slow, quick, 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 and quick. Slow, slow. We do this twice. Quick, 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 and quick. Then we go into slow again, but this time we're gonna do 3 flicks. Slow, slow, quick, quick, quick. 1, 2, 3. Now we do it on the other side. Slow, slow, quick, quick, quick. 3, 2, 1, and slow, slow, quick, quick, quick. 3, 2, 1. Last time, slow, slow, quick, quick, quick. And 3, 2, 1. Then from here, we go fast, non-stop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. With 1 flick, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1 flick and slow, slow, quick, quick, and slow from the top. Slow, quick, quick, slow, 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 quick, 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 and slow. Right, slow, left, quick, 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 slow, 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 quick, 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 box step, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. Back into the zigzag and slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, 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 quick, 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 quick. You could count that quick or slow just as long as you're on time. And slow, slow, quick, 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 slow, 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 quick, 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 slow. Then we go fast. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Forward, forward, side, back, side, flick, and slow. Back to the slow. 1 flick, quick, quick, quick. We do this twice on this round. Slow, quick, 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 and slow. Then now we go into 3. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 3, 2, 1. Slow, slow, quick, quick, quick. Slow, slow, slow. 2, 2, a do, do, do. Hop, hop, hop. Last one, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow. 3, 2, 1. From here, you're gonna have a short time to spin and stop into a tango or paso doble like pose and hold it and breathe and then come out and finish. So a couple things in this tango and most tangos that I've taught, but I want to mention it a little bit more, is we actually try to do this down. When you do it down like this, you get more of a workout here in your hamstrings and your quadriceps. That will help out a lot with, building those, of course, and it's great because you're using different muscles to hold yourselves up and to keep yourselves down. So it's quite a bit of workout. It's like doing a squat the whole time. The other thing is keeping these guys up. I don't know how many of you have ever done this or have felt this, but us ballroom dancers, when we do this, this is a huge training for us. We actually get really tired here in the deltoids and the shoulders. So just holding this the entire dance for 3 minutes, that's a long time. Once again, thank you for coming to my YouTube channel. I'm your host, Will Orrock, and I have to say, if you guys found some value in this, go ahead and smash that like button, please, because it helps so much with this channel and it helps with the YouTube algorithm so people can find my channel. Not only that, if you guys really want to continue receiving my videos, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and the bell button down below. It will help tremendously for you guys to never miss one of my videos. Not only that, there is a participation link on to help this channel grow. We're always looking to expand, make new videos, change lighting, cameras, everything, and this helps out. So if you guys want to help with the success of this channel and participate in it, go ahead and click the link down below. Last but not least, down in the description below, there are dance products there that will help you dance better on the dance floor. So if you're interested, go check those out. Once again, we're here at We Evolve Dance and Fitness, and thank you for coming by. I will see you guys on the fitness dance floor. Whoa.